Hey there, I am Rami Raidan and I want to help you use AI to run your online business smarter, not harder. Whether you're a coach, consultant, or creator, chances are you're wearing way too many hats right now. You started this journey to make an impact, to serve others, to do meaningful work. But showing up online consistently, clearly, and confidently has been harder than it should be. Maybe you have tried batching content. Maybe you have signed up for a dozen tools or templates. Or maybe you have watched hours of YouTube trying to figure it all out. And still, you're stuck. Social media content, emails, funnels, systems. Most people are either burning out trying to keep up or frozen, not even sure where to begin. Here's the truth, you don't need to work harder, you need to build smarter. And that's where AI and this program come in. Welcome to Content Mastery with AI, my private one-on-one coaching program that helps you simplify your content, automate your system, and build a business that finally feels in flow. Over 12 sessions, I'll guide you step by step with the right guidance and the right tools. You will use AI to clarify your niche, message, and offer, create content that sounds like you, build a strategic calendar that supports your goals, automate marketing systems and funnels, repurpose content across platforms, and get your business working even when you're not. That's exactly what we do together inside Content Mastery with AI. This isn't a course you watch and forget. This is implementation built around you. This is about building a real system around your voice, your offer, and your goals. We work live, we build together, and you walk with a complete content and marketing system powered by AI but led by your vision. If you are tired and feeling behind, if you are ready to stop guessing and start building with the clarity and the flow, I'd love to guide you. Click below to book your free clarity session. We will talk through your goals, and if this is the right fit, we will start building your system together. Let's simplify the tech, let's automate what's holding you back, and let's finally get your business working for you. I'll see you inside.